Hello students, hope you all are fine and I hope that you all had given your test properly. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is common factors. So you know that how to find factors. Today we are going to learn that how to find the common factors. First we will find the factors of two numbers and then we will see that what is common between them. So let us consider with an example. Let us find the factors of 6 and 9. The factors of 6 and 9 are the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Similarly, the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So what is common between the factors of 6 and 9? The factors of 6 and 9. What is common between these two factors? We see the common factors between 6 and 9 are 1 and 3. Again we will see the common factors between 16 and 24. So first find the factors of 16. What is there? The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So what are the common factors between 16 and 24? 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we have noticed one thing, that 1 is the common factor for every numbers. 1 is the common factor for every numbers. Okay, now let us consider another example, 18 and 24. So find the factors of 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 itself. So you are getting here 1 again. Okay, again find the factors of 24. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So 1 is again common here. I hope you have understood that 1 is the common factor between two numbers. Now let's see what is the common factors between 18 and 24. So all the common factors between 18 and 24 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors between 18 and 24. Now let's learn how to find the highest common factor. So highest means which is the greatest among all. So we know how to find the factors. This time we will find the highest common factors. So highest common factor, the short form of is HCF. The short form of highest common factor is HCF. So highest common factor of two or more numbers is the highest or greatest among all their common factors. Highest common factor is also called GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Let us learn the method to find highest common factors. So here we have taken two examples, 36 and 48. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 itself. Similarly, the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So what are the common factors between 36 and 48? The common factors between 36 and 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But which is the highest, which is the greatest among them? The greatest among them is 12. So we will list the highest common factor between 36 and 48 as 12. Okay, the result is 12. The answer is 12. Now we will see how to find the HCF of three numbers by division method. How to find the HCF of three numbers by division method. Write all the numbers in horizontal line separated by commas. See how they have written 16, 28 and 36. Then divide the numbers by the common prime factors. I hope you know how to find the common prime factors. So let's start with 2. 2 is the common prime factor. So if we divide all the numbers by 2, we get 8, 14 and 18. Again common factor is 2. So again we divide all the numbers with 2, we get 4, 7 and 9. Now stop dividing when there are no common factors except 1. Okay, so find the product of the common factors. The product of the common factors are 2 and into 2 is equal to 4. Now let us see some more examples of HCF. We will find the HCF of 10 and 12. We will find the HCF of 10 and 12. So what 10 and 100, sorry, 10 and 100. So what to do? The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Similarly, the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 4 and 25 also. I have not written that. 4 and 25 are also the factors of 100. But the highest common factor is 10. Okay? But the highest common factor is 10. So, the HCF of 10 and 100 is... the HCF of 10 and 100 is 10. Am I clear? So, this is a normal way. We have found this in normal way. Again, we will find the HCF of 10 and 100 by division method. So let's start. See, I will find the HCF of 10 and 100 by division method. Okay. (10, 100). See, I am dividing with the lowest prime factor, lowest prime number, that is 2. So I get 5 and 50. If I divide 10 by 2, I get 5. If I divide 100 by 2, I get 50. Again, the common factor is 5. So I have divided 5 with 5, I got 1. And when I divided 50 with 5, I got 10. So the common factor is, the highest common factor is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. What the highest common factor is? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now we will go through another example. Let's take 36 and 48. So what is the common prime factor? 2. So 2 18s are 36, 2 24s are 48. Again we will get common 2. So 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24. Okay, so we will write 12 here. Again common is 3. Again we will get the common term 3. So 3 right here, and then 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12. Now nothing is common. Now nothing is common. See, it is completed. Now nothing is common, so we will stop it here only. So the HCF of 36 and 48 are, the HCF of 36 and 48 is 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. I hope you have understood. The HCF of 36 and 48 is 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Now we'll notice, see here the example was given, the HCF of 36 and 48 in some other process, but the answer is same. See, look at in your book, the answer of the highest common factor of 36 and 48 is given in some other way. Okay, so it is same.